Welcome to our channel. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of one of Australia's most iconic animals, the kangaroo. These incredible marsupials are found throughout the country and are known for their powerful legs, unique hopping, movement, and their signature pouches where they carry their young. Join us as we explore everything from their habitat, diet, behavior, and role in Australian culture. When people think of kangaroos, they often picture the large, iconic red kangaroo. But did you know there are actually 4 main species of kangaroos? Let's dive into the fascinating world of these unique marsupials. The red kangaroo is the largest of them all, with males growing up to 6 feet tall. They thrive in Australia's dry, open landscapes, using their powerful hind legs to cover vast distances in search of food. Meanwhile, the eastern and western grey kangaroos are commonly found in woodlands and coastal regions, often seen grazing in large groups. And up in the tropical savannas of northern Australia, the smaller antilopine kangaroo prefers the warmer, humid climate. Kangaroos can be found all over Australia, from the scorching deserts of the outback to the cooler coastal plains. They have evolved to survive in some of the harshest environments, even going for long periods without water by extracting moisture from the plants they eat. Being mostly nocturnal, kangaroos are more active at night when temperatures are lower. During the day, they conserve energy by resting under trees. One of the most unique things about kangaroos is how they move. Instead of walking, they hop. Their muscular hind legs act like springs, allowing them to leap up to 30 feet in a single bound and reach speeds of up to 44 miles per hour. And check out that tail. It serves as a counterbalance when hopping and helps support their weight when standing still. Fun fact, kangaroos can't move backward, which is why they're often seen as a symbol of progress in Australian culture. Kangaroos are herbivores, meaning they only eat plants. Their diet consists of grass, leaves, and shrubs. Since they often live in dry areas, they've developed an efficient digestive system, similar to cows, that helps break down tough plant material and conserve water. One of the most incredible things about kangaroos is how they raise their young. Female kangaroos give birth to tiny, underdeveloped babies, called joeys, that are only the size of a jelly bean. The joey crawls into its mother's pouch, where it continues to grow and develop for several months. Even after leaving the pouch, young joeys still rely on their mothers for warmth and protection. Some even hop back into the pouch for comfort until they're fully independent. Kangaroos are social animals that live in groups called mobs. These groups can range from just a few individuals to over 100. Living in a mob helps them stay alert to potential dangers. Kangaroos communicate using body language, vocal sounds, and even foot stomping. If one senses danger, it will thump the ground to warn the others. And yes, kangaroo boxing is real. Male kangaroos, also called boomers, sometimes fight to establish dominance within the mob, using their powerful arms and legs to compete for leadership. Even though kangaroos are strong, they do have predators. Dingoes and large birds of prey target young joeys. But today, one of the biggest threats to kangaroos comes from human activity. Habitat destruction from agriculture and urban expansion has reduced their grazing areas, making food sources harder to find. Kangaroos are also at risk of road accidents, especially since they're most active at night. That's why many Australian roads have wildlife signs and fencing to help keep them safe. Kangaroos are truly remarkable creatures, strong, adaptive, and a symbol of Australia's wild beauty. Whether in the deserts, forests, or savannas, these marsupials continue to thrive in their homeland. Kangaroos are not just an essential part of Australia's ecosystem, they are also deeply ingrained in the country's culture and identity. They appear on the Australian coat of arms, currency, and even as mascots for national sports teams. The kangaroo symbolizes strength, resilience, and forward movement, qualities that Australians hold dear. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more amazing wildlife content. Let us know in the comments which animal you'd like us to cover next.